Hello class, good morning. Class, we were doing chapter plants and animal. Today we will understand there is a one topic which is pollination we will study today. So class, the topic pollination, it is the one process for reproduction in plants. Pollination is the process which plants through which plants produce themselves. So class, this is the one way, one process through which plants reproduce themselves. In this process, and actually here I'm going to explain you the how they reproduce, right? So in this process, the pollen grains are transferred. Pollen grains are the responsible for the reproduction in plants. So in this process, the pollen grains are transferred from one plant to another. These pollen grains class, it is as like you understand one little tiny small balls, pollen grains, right? Seed also you understand, one spherical shape of. So in this process, the pollen grains are transferred from one plant to another, and these pollen grains are transferred by many methods. One such method is bee pollination. It is explaining here what is the bee pollination. Bees often move from one flower to another to get nectar, right? You know the nectar. The pollen grains get stuck to the legs of bees when bees sit on the flower. So in their legs, pollen grain stuck. When bees move to another flower, the pollen grain get transferred to that flower. So bees, what they are doing? What are they doing here? They are acting as like a transferring agent. The bees is a transferring agent. With the help of bee, the pollen grain is transferred from one plant to another. Understand? I just say also in a very simple way you understand. It's a means of transport of pollen grain from one flower to another. Okay. This process is also carried by many other animals like rats, the butterfly also sit on the flowers to get nectar. Butterflies, monkey is also responsible, birds are the responsible, and etc. Animals also help in the dispersal of seeds. So animals is responsible, it is also help in the dispersal of seeds. Class, dispersal of seeds means the spreading of seeds, and for example the flowing water, winds, or also by this way, by these means, the dispersal of seeds also may be happen. As the water flow, seed also may be flow with water. As the wind is blowing, so with wind the seeds may be transferred from one plant to another. Okay, plants. It's now the class over the para. What I'm going to explain you. This is the so many times it has been come in the last class, in the previous in the first chapter also we have discussed. So it is discussing about the plants give out oxygen and take carbon dioxide, what we say. So plants give out oxygen that we take in by the animal, whereas animals give out carbon dioxide that is taken in by the plants, right? Large number of forests therefore release large amount of oxygen, and it makes the air clean and healthy. This is the way by in this and as we know, this is the advantage of forestation, right? We do we do plantation around our home, in our school. Why? Because to get the fresh air, to get the oxygen in a large amount of oxygen we can take. When trees are cut, their number decreases, right? And therefore, the amount of oxygen also decreases, which is dangerous for life. It's a very simple line, class, you may understand, right? As long as the relationship between the plants and animals exists. This is the relationship between the plants and animals. As long as the relationship between the plants and animals exists, the environment is healthy and livable. When it be possible, when the relationship between them is disturbed, and the environment also gets disturbed and poses danger for mankind. Plus, this is the topic and pollination what we discussed. In last of this chapter also we have discussed about the advantages of plantation, right? So class, after the completion of this chapter, I would like to go on a recap of this chapter. So I am explaining you the points to remember. There are some few points are given there. The first point is all living organisms work as like machine. Second, sun is the chief source of energy. Third, energy is transferred at four trophic level 1, trophic level 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Number 4, plants are the producer, whereas animals and man are the, you tell the answer, they are the consumer. They do consume. Okay. Fifth point, energy of all plants, animals and human beings is transferred last to the decomposer, and they are called they also decomposer are the microorganism. Okay. And the 6 point is pollination is the process, just we have to understand, through which plants are reproduce themselves. Okay. And the 7 point, large number of trees release a large number of oxygen. Okay. So class, so many types of lesson we taken from this chapter as well, right? Firstly, we understand what is the relationship between the plants and animal. Okay. And also you understand in a more clearly way how the plants are important for us. Okay. And what type of behavior, what do we do with the plants? Okay. We also should love the plant. We also do plantation, and we also do forestation and so on. We have to stop deforestation. Okay. We have to care the plants and so on. So class, after the completion of this chapter, now I reach on the exercise, and for the exercise class, in the as same manner in the first chapter, I sent you the exercise, fill in the blanks, true, false, and take the correct option, some MCQs. So these also have sent you, and class question and answer also I have sent you. You everyone copy down in your copy, complete the work, and just read this topic and learn the important points. Okay class, and take care to you, which is very important to you. Be happy. Okay. And your exams also is also have started from the 22nd August. So wish you very all the best for your examination. Do a good preparation. Okay. And just to keep yourself very happy. Take care. Goodbye.